Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the Oppo A5s and navigating to the specific home screen you want. Make sure it's the screen you use most. Once there, long press a blank area until the home screen options appear, because that reveals widgets and shortcuts. Next, tap Widgets to open the widget picker. This gives you a list sorted by app. You'll use this list to choose a widget size and type without changing app settings. You now scroll the widget picker to find the app and widget size that fits your layout, because size matters for readability. Once found, tap and hold the widget, then drag it to an available spot on the home screen and release to place it. This avoids accidental folder creation. After placing, long press the widget to show resize handles and drag edges to adjust width or height, making sure information displays clearly without overlapping icons. You finish by tapping the widget to open its configuration or to link directly to the app, so it reflects the content you want. If you need to remove it, long press and drag to remove or delete. That frees space quickly. If a widget isn't updating, check app permissions, background data, and battery saver settings because these often block refresh. Also restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. This solves most display and update problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.